Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Or, for a simplest solution, if the spice mix is unavailable, you could probably mix a bit of ranch dressing into plain mayonnaise so that it's still thick enough for a sandwich, though perhaps without as strong of a flavor as adding herbs directly to mayonnaise.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ranch. As tempting as it may be to dip your veggies, or fried cheese curds, in ranch, it just barely does better than its cousin, mayonnaise. At 8 grams of fat per tablespoon, you may be better off skipping the dip.
Let's help you make your mark.
The recipe for ranch is anything but a secret. According to a close approximation of the original recipe on Top Secret Recipes, it contains equal parts mayo and buttermilk, dried parsley, salt and pepper, MSG, flavor enhancer, garlic powder, onion powder, and thyme.
Let's help you make your mark.
Replace mayonnaise with sour cream by simply substituting an equal amount. If your recipe calls for 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, for example, add 1/2 cup of sour cream instead. Use sour cream instead of mayonnaise in dips and cold salads for a fresher, lighter taste.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.